Hi, this is Sue again, and we're going to be working on Module 2, Querying a Database in Access, and I just want to show you how to get started. I've logged into Brightspace and I'm on the class, and of course the first thing we're going to do is the textbook project. During this assignment, you'll be doing several queries throughout the chapter. And a query is a question that is posed in a way that Access can understand and answer. So the first thing we want to do is we want to click on the Access Module 2 SAM Textbook Project. And once you get out to Brightspace, you will find a file out there that is actually identical to the finished file that you had when you finished Project 1. The only difference is going to be that this is set up for grading in Module 2 instead of Module 1. So we don't go back and use the Module 1 Access database. We're going to open up a brand new one so that it grades correctly. So we're going to click Start, and then you'll notice here, I have to go back, you have a support file, you have the start file, and then of course the reading if you want to. But we're going to go ahead and download the file. So first I want to download the support file, and I'm going to save that in my Access Assignments folder. Now yours might be named differently than mine, but I'm saving it in there. You may already find it in your data files though that you downloaded at the beginning of the semester. And then I'm going to, okay, it says that it already exists, probably because I already downloaded it once, but anyway, it's there. And then I'm going to download the VETS file. And I'm going to save that first. It's always a good idea to save first, because if you open it and don't save it, then you're going to run into some issues. Now I have the same file here, but I might not want to actually copy over that. So I'm going to create a new folder. And in this new folder, I'm just going to call this Access Module 2. So I'm not saving over the original file, and I'll save it in there. Okay, so now once it's saved, then I can go back to my folder, and I'm going to open up that file that I want to start with. And when you look at the Access file, you're going to see all of the report, the form, the query, and everything that you had made last time. The only thing you won't see is the grading report, and that grading report will show up after you've submitted this file. So that's why you need to open up the new file so that it grades correctly, because it will not go back and grade the old things that we've already worked with unless they're part of something new. In your textbook, you'll notice that on page AC 2-2 and 2-3, there are several figures there of what the query should look like. So you can refer back to them if you want to. Okay, so that's how you're going to get started. And now you've got everything to start. You can move on to the next video, which is the demo video that I'm going to start on the top of page 2-4.